Hi everybody, Mary Sisk here with an update on the Impact Mailing Club. Just wanted to let everyone know that they have extended the promotions until the 15th of March. So if you join now, you join at the Emerald level, you will get bumped to the Ruby. If you join at the Ruby, you get bumped to Sapphire. If you join at Sapphire, you get bumped to the Diamond level. If you join at Diamond, you get bumped to the Double Diamond. And my sponsor here, Miss Amanda Ray, is offering bonuses besides the ones that the companies are giving if you join her team right now. So I just wanted to make a short little video, let everyone know that in the past week, we have added over 100 new members in a week with these bonuses. So that's why they got extended. If you would like to join or need more information, visit the link below and you can go to the website and get more information. You can find me on Facebook or email me and I'll be happy to answer your questions for you. Just a quick little video to update you and hope you have a great evening. Thanks.